Medical futurist Dr. Dan O'Brien joins us to discuss the future of medicine, including new 3D printing technology that can actually make ventilators and masks on the spot. Doctor, tell me all about this. In the future, how is this 3D printing going to benefit healthcare technology and even help with COVID-19?
Yes, so 3D printing is a new kind of innovative healthcare technology as we look at taking a computer 3D model and turning it into a physical object like PPE. So it's really going to help a lot of hospitals and other facilities to make sure that they have their medical equipment, especially now we're seeing a shortage in this equipment. So 3D printing is just another innovative technology as we look to the future.
Well, so you're saying it can help with the shortage because we're seeing a lot of that right now when we talk about the PPE equipment.
Yes, the PPE can be actually produced through 3D printing very quickly within hours instead of taking days to weeks. And also it is not going to overwhelm the supply chain as well. So people are going to be able to have PPEs a lot more and at a faster rate as well.
Are hospitals showing interest in the 3D printing right now?
Yes, there's a lot of excitement among the hospitals, particularly during COVID with the shortage. So now this just streamlines the process and provides just another technology to be able to help patients stay safe.
Okay, so talking about things we need, nasal swabs, they're being used in association with testing for COVID-19. Can nasal swabs, is that something that can be produced in large amounts using this printing technology?
Yes, the literature has shown up to 10,000 nasal swabs can be produced. So again, it's just another avenue to be able to have this type of technology, particularly with nasal swabs as we look into future testing.
And Doctor, you're a medical futurist. So how exciting is it for you to see some of this technology looking forward, being able to help our current issues when it comes to healthcare and the medical profession?
Sure. We're actually seeing this new era right now of healthcare, and we've seen this huge digital transformation. So as we look at not only 3D printing, but also telemedicine and AI. So there's been a lot of new innovation as far as healthcare technology to be able to help patients and also help public health officials as well.
Do you feel that the medical community is really embracing this technology, or are they stuck in the old ways?
Sure. Well, I think a lot of people that were stuck in their old ways are now adapting, to new technologies, and we've really seen a spike in just the usage. And again, even for that older generation, there's actually, loved ones and caretakers who are really helping those that are having difficult time with the new technology.
How big of a difference do you think it will make when, things like 3D printing are normal, everyday things that we use when it comes to medicine?
Yes, we are in a new normal kind of phase, and I think with the new era of healthcare, we're going to see a lot more of this and even additional healthcare technologies tools. So it's just another additional kind of clinical tool to be able to help providers, to be able to help patients.
Anything in particular that you're most excited about when we talk about this technology?
Sure. Obviously, there's so much. We're kind of at the cutting edge, and just to be able to help patients with 3D printing, particularly with PPE equipment, because there was such a huge issue as far as, just being low in supplies. And as we look to the future, I'm most excited again, as most of my colleagues are utilizing telemedicine and even predictive analytics with AI, as certainly as we look at big data and how we can kind of inform the public and really help from a public health standpoint too.
All right. Well, it looks like a good solution in the works. Dr. Dan O'Brien, thanks so much for joining us.
You're welcome. Glad to be on the show anytime.
This interview involves commercial content. The products and services featured appear as paid advertising.